Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically match beats on CapCut. So there are two ways to do it. You are just going to select the song, and then you can either add them manually or automatically. So if you want to add them automatically, you're just going to select Control J to add in beats, or the button here. To remove one of the beats, you can select this or press Ctrl J again to add and remove. Or if you want to clear everything, you're just going to press this button here. If you want to do it automatically, you can just simply press this button and you can either choose from beat 1 or beat 2. There are more beats on the second one, definitely. And yeah, you can still add in some beats yourself if you wanted to, or delete them. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!